Hi math friends! Today we're going to look at classifying polygons based on the attributes they have. But first, let's review what a polygon is. So polygons are shapes that have at least three sides. They have straight sides, so no curves. They're closed, and they're plane figures, meaning they're not 3D. So let's talk a little bit about the attributes of shapes. When we say attribute, we mean a quality or feature that shapes have. So some examples of attributes are parallel sides, and remember that means that the sides will never intersect. Right angles, and that means that they are going to make a 90-degree angle, like a perfect square corner. Opposite sides are equal, so that means the sides across from each other have the same length. All sides are equal, or number of sides. And that's what we're going to talk about before we move on. So polygons have a special name based on the number of sides they have. So of course you know that a three-sided polygon is a triangle. Last time we talked about how four sides are called a quadrilateral, and there's many different kinds of quadrilaterals. A five-sided polygon is called a pentagon. A six-sided polygon is called a hexagon. And if a polygon has 8 sides, it's called an octagon. And there you can see some of the shapes there. So if a polygon has all equal sides, we call it a regular polygon. So if you look at the chart, you can see that the regular polygons are shown here. And you already know that a square is a regular polygon because all sides are equal. So we're going to go ahead and look at this shape, and we're going to try to list as many attributes as we can. So the first thing I'm noticing is that it's more than 3 sides, it's a closed figure, and it's a plane figure, it's flat. So we notice that this is a polygon. The second thing I'm noticing is it's not a regular polygon because definitely the sides are not all equal. So I can say it's not a regular polygon. If I go ahead and count the sides, 3, 4, 5, I'm noticing that it has 5 sides. It also has 5 angles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, angles are where the sides come together. So I can say it has 5 sides and 5 angles. Well, and if I know it has 5 sides and 5 angles, then it has to be a pentagon. And if I'm looking at parallel sides as an attribute, I'm not seeing any sets of parallel sides. Remember, parallel lines have to never intersect. And it looks like if I extend these lines, they will intersect. So I'm going to say no sets of parallel sides. And if I go ahead and look at the angles of this polygon, I'm noticing that there are no square corners, so there are no right angles. So I'm going to list that as another attribute. Okay, so as you can see, I've listed as many attributes as I can, and I have quite a list going there.